Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to change screen timeout on VIVO iQOO Neo 7. Let's begin. So, let's start with, maybe decreasing the brightness a little bit, since it is way too bright. And now we want to change the screen timeout. We want to go to the settings. Then in the settings you can simply click this display brightness, and if we don't really have to scroll down. As you can see here, we have auto lock, which in other words is simply screen timeout. So screen will basically auto lock itself after 30 seconds of inactivity. We can bump up this by about 2 minutes, let's say, though we want to keep in mind that this will increase the battery usage. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.